What does your child learn in mathematics? Number bonds. What is number bonds? Number bonds is breaking number up into its component parts. For example, 5 can be seen as 3 and 2. So that is a number bond for 5. Let's take a look at a bigger number, 51. 51 can be seen as 50 and 1. But it doesn't have to be. 51 can also be seen as 40 and 11. 51 can also be seen as 30 and 21, and so on. Which one you prefer to use, I suppose, will depend on what you are doing. If you want to do adding of 51 and 24, I suppose 51 is best seen as 50 and 1. Because adding 50 and 1 to 20 and 4, that's quite easy. Adding the tens got us 70. Adding the ones got us 5, giving us 75. But if I want to do 51, subtract 17, then looking at 51 as 50 and 1 may not be the best option for some people. We may prefer to look at 51 as 40 and 11. That is because to subtract 17, which is 10, and 7, from 40 and 11, those are convenient. So in this case, looking at 51 as 40 and 11 is better for us, because subtracting 10 from 40, that's not difficult, and subtracting 7 from 11, that's also not difficult, giving us the final result of 34. So you see, whether or not your child picks 50 and 1 or 40 and 11, it's human decision making. When your child learns to make decisions like that, meaning they make different decisions for different situations, that is sharpening their human ability to make choices that is best for a given situation. That, of course, is not important just in mathematics, but important in all areas of life. And if they were to do 51 divided by 3, I suppose breaking it up into 30 and 21 might be a good option, because 30 divided by 3, that gives us 10, and 21 divided by 3, that gives us 7, resulting in 17 as an answer. Do you see, parents, when your child is capable of breaking numbers up appropriately, number bonds, doing number bonds, they develop this thing that educators call number sense. When your child have good number sense, they are able to do computation fairly easily, not because of procedures, not because of steps that they memorize, but because of the human ability to make the best decision for a given situation. That is something that's important that your child learns in mathematics, number bonds.